Hey traders from around the world, my name is Jeremy Alexander Newsom and it happens to be January 2020, which is of course Extra Income Month. And as you likely already know, every single month at Real Life Trading, we like to come up with a challenge. And starting about a year ago, we've done 3 challenges every single month. A challenge that corresponds with real life and trading. So here are your 3 challenges for the month of January, which is Extra Income Month. Every single January, we like to focus on how we can all make a little bit more money together. All right, so the real challenge, which is the real physical tough challenge, this is gonna be 100 sit-ups every single day and 3 12 ounces of water every single day. So that's gonna be pretty much it. Those 2 things combined, that'll be your real physical challenge for the month of January. Looking to get that shredded 6-pack action, hopefully, not for me, but that'll be the goal. The trading challenge, this one is going to be fun and it's gonna require a little bit of explanation. Here we go. I want you to focus at least one trade, just one. I want you to practice buying it as low as you possibly can at your support level. That's right, do not wait for it to bounce off the support level. Don't wait for a morning star to come in. Look at those lower wicks and buy down there. For example, let's say you have a support line at $97.23. I want you to look to buy at $96.97. Right below the support, right below those wicks. Be the stop, be the trap. I want you to focus on buying absolutely as low as possible, even on just one trade, to flex those holding muscles and to get in as low as humanly possible, because it is of course buy low, sell high, right? Beautiful. All right, and then the life challenge. This is going to be very easy for the month of January. Every single January we have a free week at RLT. If you want to make some extra income at Real Life Trading, tell your friends, tell your family, tell anyone that you can that RLT is having a free week starting January 27th through the 31st. Where we have an open house for our day trading room, our swing trading room, and I throw out a weekly options newsletter for everyone in the entire world. Keep in mind, if you have a friend, coworker, or family member that signs up and joins and subscribes to RLT, I will be paying you a referral bonus. It's that simple. You help me make money, I help you make money. It's a win-win, and I love it. Those are your 3 challenges for the month of January. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. You rock. Until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.